Hi, my name is David Lamb, and today we will be finding the reciprocal trig ratios. The question is asking, what are the six trigonometric ratios for angle A in the right triangle below? This is the right triangle that we'll be using for example today. So, lots of people use the word SOHCAHTOA to memorize the first three basic trig ratios. We'll be using angle A, as it says in the question today, as a reference. So stands for sine, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So looking at angle A, the opposite is equal to 3, and the hypotenuse is 5. So the answer is sine is equal to 3 over 5. For cos stands for cosine. It equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And looking at angle A, the adjacent would be a 4. The hypotenuse would also be 5. So cosine equals to 4 over 5. TOA stands for tangent. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So at angle A, the opposite would be 3, and adjacent would be 4. So tangent equals to 3 over 4. So for this whole lesson, we're looking for the reciprocal trig ratios. So looking at from our previous slides, sine, cosine, and tangent. We're going to be looking for the reciprocal of these three trig ratios. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant, which is hypotenuse over opposite. Some people will get confused with cosecant and cosine, but that's not the case. Cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite, so basically you flip it over. So you flip 3 over 5, that would equal to 5 over 3. The reciprocal trig ratio of cosine equals to secant. Is secant. Secant is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. So you flip 4 over 5, and that would equal to 5 over 4. Tangent. Tangent's reciprocal trig ratio is cotangent, which is equal to adjacent over opposite, which is reciprocal of 3 over 4, and that is equals to 4 over 3.